Welcome back to my channel, Jeoff-Re'z, with another video. Today the focus will be on these guys right here. This ginger plant, guys, was propagated in water. It is doing really good, sending out shoots and lots of roots. So this planter right here with a mixture of compost, cow dung manure and garden soil is where those ginger plants will be transferred, and that's coming up. So the first ginger plant that will be transplanted will be this one that was started in soil mix in this black 12-ounce container. And what I will do is just prepare the hole using this container so that when I remove it from the container it fits nicely and perfectly into that slot. So guys, this is how I enjoy preparing the holes for most of my container transplants. As you can see, smooth and perfect. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is to take the container and gently squeeze it so as to be able to remove the plant from it easily, and then we'll just loosen up the soil around the roots of this plant and then just slipping it into that slot, just like this. See how easily it fits in there and how perfect it is. So guys, if I want to plant a dozen plants in this planter, it can fit easily by using this method. Now guys, we are moving on to the second transplant, and the hole was prepared in similar fashion. So this plant here was done as an experiment to see how well it would grow in water. So far it is doing very well. It is looking healthy and happy. Lots of roots. Young ones coming up as well, so it is the perfect time to be placed in the ground. So we will now remove these sticks so we can actually place it in the ground. So guys, planting things and watching them grow is a lot of fun. This is one of the things that I enjoyed doing. Once you develop a love for plants, then you will enjoy planting things and watching them grow. So in another 2 weeks from now, I will be giving this plant some of my specially made compost tea. I will also be doing a video to show you how I made my compost tea. So make sure to check out this link in the top right hand corner, and also to like, share and comment down below. If you want to see more of my videos, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Keep safe and happy farming.